Hello guys, welcome to SBM Science. There are medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension or asthma that almost all of us will have heard of, but what about those that are so rare that few of us will know about? In this video, we'll look at one of the rarest and strangest medical condition on record. Guys, can a person get drunk without drinking alcohol? It sounds weird, right? But let me tell you, there are, however, some people who experience intoxication and hangovers without drinking a significant amount of alcohol or even without ingesting alcohol. In 2015, the BBC published a story about men who claimed to experience symptoms of drunkenness after eating carbohydrate. When he told his friend that he had do not consume alcohol, they assumed that he was lying. According to him, at first, I did not really know what was happening. It was weird. I had eaten some carbs, and all of a sudden, I was goofy and vulgar. I would get inexplicably sick with stomach pain and headache. Every day for a year, I would wake up and vomiting. There are other cases like this. Just 1 year later, CNN and BBC reported that a New York woman was facing a drunken driving charge after she registered an extremely high blood alcohol level of 4 times the legal limits. According to CNN, the judge dropped the drunken driving charge after being presented with evidence the woman suffering from auto brewery syndrome. In today's video, we will know what is auto brewery syndrome. After all, what happens in auto brewery syndrome that our body start producing alcohol on its own. The auto brewery syndrome is also known as gut fermentation syndrome. This rare condition makes you intoxicated or drunk without drinking alcohol. This happens when your body turns sugary and starchy food, means carbohydrate, into alcohol. It may caused by too much yeast in the gut. Yeast is the type of fungus. Fermentation in the gut is normal part of the digestive process and happens through the breakdown of foods by normal bacteria in the colon. However, in people with auto brewery syndrome, fermentation happens in the small intestine further up to the digestive tract. Certain fungi have been found to be responsible for producing alcohol, such as Candida and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. When someone with this condition consumes high starch food like pasta or bagels, the excessive yeast in the digestive tract then ferments the starch sugar into ethanol. Normally, liver can detoxify the tiny amounts of alcohol which are byproduct of yeast fermentation, but in people with abnormal gut fermentation, too much alcohol is produced and cause person to become intoxicated. Now, we are going to see the risk factor. Although the condition is very rare, cases have been reported in men, women and children. There have been reported in several different countries including Africa, Japan, the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom. While auto brewery syndrome can occur in healthy individuals, it is most prevalent in people with following combined condition: diabetes, obesity, short bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, a weakened immune system or autoimmune condition. Antibiotic use, particularly if it is frequent or long-term, may interfere with the gut's natural microbiome and contribute to yeast overgrowth. Now, treatment. Because the condition is so uncommon, there are no large-scale studies to look at effective treatments. However, case studies suggest that antifungals, dietary change, and supplements may minimize or even eliminate the condition. Hope you like the video. For more such video, subscribe our channel and do not forget to like and share this video.